you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Tribe Beauty Box for August/September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this should be the August/September box since it is a bi-monthly subscription box. Tribe Beauty did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So we are back to the box. Sometimes they put it in a bag, but now we're in the normal box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what this box, bi-monthly box, is going to be bringing us. So when you first open it up, that's what it looks like right inside. So let's go ahead and go with the first item. I literally dropped the one that I had in the shower and the plastic part broke like a few different lines, so all the bristles came out. So I just threw the thing away because it was making more of a mess than anything. So I actually did need another one. So this is kind of cool that this is in here. So now I have a replacement to the one that I just broke. Well, it jumped out of its thing on its own. I didn't break it. It decided to plummet down to the bottom of the shower. But let's go ahead and talk about this guy right here. Let me get this open so we can see it without the plastic. And it is definitely, it has a lot of these little bristles that is just falling off. So it has a lot of bristles that's coming out that is just completely just falling out. If you can see that, yeah. But this one is supposed to be like really good for like circulation because it has like these little plastic little nubby things in here. So when you dry rub, it's supposed to help with circulation. So there is that. Oh, and here is a brand right there. Oh, there are so many bristles here right in front of me. This thing is definitely shedding a whole lot of bristles. So let's see what this product says and what the price would be. It says W&E dry brush, USD $52. $52 for this brush. I think the one that I had, it came in a subscription box. I think it was only like valued not even $10. $52? That is crazy. These bristles shouldn't be coming out then if it's a $52 value. Like, I shouldn't have piles of hair. Bristles all over the place for that. But I always say companies can value whatever they want. Doesn't mean that we have to actually pay the retail price. So I'm so glad when something like that, $52, there's no way I'd pay $52 for a dry brush. So I'm glad it was in this subscription box. I just kind of wish that it wasn't shedding as much because it's still shedding. So it says this dry brush is made with natural beechwood, combining rubber nodules and natural bristles to help stimulate the lymphatic system. I'm not quite sure what that word is. It encourages the removal of toxins while exfoliating and smoothing your skin. And it says to use weekly. So $52 though? There's no way. So the next thing is, it says Julep Beauty, hint of pink. What is it? Transforming lip oil. What it does, creates custom color. Huh? So is it going to change based on my own lips? Is that what it sounds like it's going to do? Let me see. Let me remove all these hairs that are all in front of me because this is this is bothering me. I don't like messes. And I don't like hair everywhere, nor bristles. You can have your bristles back. Okay, so this guy right here, it says Julep Beauty, hint of pink transforming lip oil, valued for $22. This moisturizing lip oil retracts to your unique pH, wrapping your pout in a perfect shade of sheer pink. Swipe the super soft applicator across your lips and go. So it's free of all those things, paraben free, it's vegan, clean beauty, cruelty free, SLS free is all on that side of the box. There's that side of the box. So then I was thinking it was going to be a long tube, and it's just What do they need such a big box for? That's a little false advertising. Like, what'd you need such a big box for? I don't know. But that's what it looks like down inside. And let's see, it says hint of pink. So let me put it on my hand so you can see that it is crystal clear on my hand right there. And let's see what happens if we put this on. Let me just try to do my bottom lip. I don't see any pink. I only wanted to put it like on my bottom lip so I can tell the difference between my two lips. But I'm not seeing any pinkage. So maybe my pH balance is a little off and it just stays clear. But it feels nice on my lips. So it's a nice lip oil. Again, on my hand, it's still clear. Ooh. Ooh, now it looks like it's turning pink, no? No? No. It's not turning pink. It's still clear. But that's, there we go. But you have a lip oil. And again, this is valued for $22. Next item we have in here, it says Mirabella eyeshadow primer. And I do want to point out that this one does have like nicks around the whole top part. If you can see that, there's nicks that go around the whole thing there. Just wanted to point that out because I do point everything out that I do see when I show you guys. But this right here says waterproof eyeshadow primer, valued for $20. And when you open it up, okay, so it's like a doe foot applicator and it is an eyeshadow primer. I normally don't use eyeshadow primers, but I'll try it out and see how it works. I like a primer that I can just kind of put over my whole entire face and move on with the day, but that's if I even use a primer at all. But there is an eyeshadow primer, and that is valued again for $20. It says this eyeshadow primer by Mirabella features an innovative creamy formula that is easy to apply, but made to adhere to lids to create a perfect canvas to hold your shadow in place all day. Sheer, translucent base sustains the vibrancy of eyeshadow shades around the clock, all day and into the night. Available in one neutral shade that is suitable for even the most sensitive eyes. Again, valued for $20. So the next thing says Makeup Drop, the original silicone beauty applicator. The Makeup Drop is the only tool you need in your vanity. Non-toxic, cruelty-free. That's what it looks like in the package. This is valued for $20. Skincare shouldn't just include your face. Treat your entire body to a cleaner, hands-free approach to applying sunless tanners, lotions, masks, and more. This larger version of the original Makeup Drop helps you blend product in seamlessly with a soft silicone touch. Directions: apply a small amount of product to your drop. Lightly dab, draw, or outline onto your face. Blend gently into your skin. Use the tip to draw sharper lines and to reach the corners of your eyes. Do not use if punctured. It does say you can go to www.makeupdrop.com/video and you can see a video on how it's used. It is a big one, that's for sure. So that is what it looks like. I don't use any type of liquid foundations or anything like that, so I might just put this right back in the package and save for one of you guys to hopefully enjoy. It's just something that I'm not going to use, and I know that, so I'd rather go to somebody who would than just sit and not be used on my end. So there's that guy. And then the last item is down inside of here, and this would be the palette. It says Be Bella Cosmetics Life in Pastels eyeshadow palette. This right here is valued for $12. It says dive into this palette and create magic with these stunning pastel shades. We bet you don't own a color story like this in your vanity. But there is the palette. I do like that there are lighter colors and then it goes to darker colors, because a lot of the pastel palettes, they normally are just these light pastel, where I like to use a darker color in the crease to darken it up and in the corner. So at least with this, you do have this last row that is darker to go with the lighter shades. So I do appreciate the colors, the color variations of the pastel colors in this palette. So there you go. Once again, I don't know if I'm going to use this or put this in a future giveaway pile. But so I'm not going to touch it right now. It is really, really pretty, but I'm not sure if this is something that I would grab if I would want to just save it for you guys, you know? So I'm just going to leave it sit and then I'll think about it. But this is valued for $12. I think it's very pretty packaging. I like the little rainbow with the clouds. Extremely cute packaging, that is for sure. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. Going over a quick recap, you have this pastel eyeshadow palette, you have a lip oil, you have a makeup silicone sponge, you have an eyeshadow primer, and then you have a overpriced brush that is just dropping its bristles everywhere. So that is everything that I have to show for this particular box. Again, this should be August/September because it is a bi-monthly box. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of the items that they included in this box? I'm going to be honest and tell you this is not my favorite box from them. They have done a whole lot better, but that's just my own personal opinion. If you want a little bit more about Try Beauty, I do have a discount code that you can use, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10% off if you are interested in purchasing this subscription. You will receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. You'll get 5 full-size beauty products worth over $120, and the box is $34.99 plus shipping. Okay, you guys, when I was actually editing and I'm putting in the screenshot from their website, I noticed that they recently did have a price increase. So I do apologize. The normal monthly box is now $39.99. The 3-month plan is now $37.99. And the 6-month plan is $35.99. Try Beauty Box is 100% female-owned company. Treat yourself to the best of indie beauty with the award-winning Tribe Beauty Box. It's our goal to help you discover the next big thing in beauty. Each box is valued at $120 or more, so you can enjoy and discover the best of indie beauty at a fraction of the cost. We help you take care of you in the best ways possible with the best women-owned and indie brands possible. From skin prepping to the very tools you need, this beauty box will never cease to surprise. They also do have a lash scoop. If you want just lashes, you can just go straight to just lashes only. That one starts at $11.99. You get 5 different lashes delivered monthly. And they do have a 6-month and a 12-month plan for that one as well. It says, good lashes literally make everything better. Trust us to deliver the best lashes to complement your amazing makeup every month. So again, you can check out the Lash Scoop or you can check out the Beauty Box, and SheCrafty will get you 10% off if you are interested. Everything will be linked down below. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you feel of the products that came in this box? What do you feel about Try Beauty? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.